Today we have another blower that will not run. It is Echo ES210. When I started it, initially it did run and then it quit. Then I couldn't get it started again. So the first thing I did was I dumped all the fuel, put in fresh, and went to start it and it wouldn't start. And the plug is suspect. You can tell it's probably the original plug. Upon further inspection, I noticed gas leaking in and around the grommet. The fuel lines, all of them, were hard. And so I'm going to go ahead and order a kit. Grommet kit and carburetor online. And the parts I ordered for the fuel system overhaul kit are right here, and we're going to go through and see what we have. This is a grommet with 3 lines. You got a carburetor gasket, spark plug, fuel filter pickup, air filter, brand new, another gasket, and that's it. Here's the carburetor. Equipment is old and shows signs of breakdown. Just buy the kit, overhaul the system. Now you've got a good base to work with. That's my opinion anyways. Going after the grommet here, see if we can get that popped out. This little piece of linkage right here came out of here. It basically rotated out like that and came off. So I had to pull the cover off to get it back on. So I'm going to leave that. Okay, so the cover's back on. Linkage is working. I'm going to put the air cleaner in. Okay. I'm going to pump the bulb, see if we can get some gas coming up through there. And it is. That's a good sign. We just got it tuned. I think it's pretty good. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you soon.